Hi, this is Cliff Rosa with Rosa Media Productions, and I am just trying to answer a quick question that one of my studio clients had asked, and that has to do with where do I get free music that's not going to be full of viruses and royalty kind of gotchas, lawsuits maybe, that I can use or my students can use in their video productions. Now, my name is Cliff Rosa. I help schools mostly and entrepreneurs put together their live production studios. So I'll do the setup or coach through the setup, as well as coach on how to begin using these studios. Now, for this particular question, the first thing I'm going to recommend is that you would consider the YouTube audio library. Now, if you just take a look at going to youtube.com/audio library, run together just like it says here in my taskbar. You can find this very useful library that's been curated, if you will, by YouTube. Now, actually, let me zoom back in on that. You'll see right here there's a filtering system that allows you to filter by duration or mood. Okay, and let me just do a quick filter. I think I'm a little too zoomed in on that. Let me do a filter mood of bright. Okay. And then I'll apply that. So we've got nice bright mood for these different songs here. I can choose to play the song. Go to fun. And notice this is different genres. Let me go ahead. Right. Country. Right. This one is alternative. Oh, interesting. That sounds very familiar. I'll just pause. So, if you like one, you can download it, and you can also check out the details of the YouTube audio library license. But essentially, it says that no attribution is required. You may or may not credit the artist or even link the audio library in your video. YouTube might actually lead people to the video if, say people are searching by that kind of music and so forth. So go ahead and read that license, get yourself familiarized with it. But the nice thing is it's a fairly extensive library. There's about 1,400 songs there, and it's free. Now, there is another source that I use pretty regularly. This is more for my video clients when I'm creating some content for them, but it's called Audio Jungle. It's part of the Envato market system, and they've got all kinds of clips. Now, these are monetized clips, so this is not a free source, but I have found a lot of good content there. And if you subscribe to their, I think it's a monthly free files, they'll give a free file away every month. So it's a good situation, I think, as yet another place to get free files. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up there. So again, my name's Cliff Rosa. I help set up live production video studios for schools and for entrepreneurs. If you're interested in learning more, you can go to rosamediaproductions.com/studios. And of course, if this video is helpful for you, it'd always be great for a like and subscribe. please leave a comment in the chat, or rather in the please the questions you have in the comments section, and I'd be happy to get back to you as soon as I'm able. All right, you guys have a great day.